Since scaling and transforming data turn out to be so important in statistics, it's useful to have a variety of ways of visualizing those things. So let's take yet another. Your task in this case is going to be fairly simple. We have the picture of a roller coaster here, a diagram of a roller coaster, and your job is to make it a more interesting roller coaster. As interesting as you can. Right now it just simply goes up and comes down. So roller coasters start here at the starting point, and they need to proceed along these paths, but we don't want it to just go up and down. Now here are the variables that you have to play with. So right over here, the slope you can visualize as consisting of two dimensions, a vertical and a horizontal. So we'll be able to make this the slope of the roller coaster change by adjusting this little slope. We'll be able to change the size horizontal of the slope in this way. That may be useful to you. And in addition, you can change the shape by moving any of these, but you can only move them by the amount that's restricted by this slope here. So you can make the amount that you can adjust bigger or smaller by changing the slope. Now, the track I just made, even if we had been able to do this, we wouldn't have a winner, because right now the roller coaster is coming down and just falling off at the end. So this point needs to be able to come down to the bottom, and right now it can't. So it can't show up back to starting line. So your job is fairly straightforward. You have these variables that you can manipulate, and you can also manipulate this one. You can change the distance between these markers. So this distance corresponds to these distances here. So again, the things that you can change are total size. You can change the slope, which restricts how much you can move any one of these, and you can change the size by moving within the slope. You can adjust the track at this point. So with that, your job is straightforward. Try to make the most interesting roller coaster that you can, and when you have your roller coaster designed, take one sheet of paper and just write what one ride would be for one circuit around your track. If it goes up and down and up and down, give a little description from the eye view of a rider of what one circuit on your roller coaster would be. That's it.